Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm still wearing the same makeup from my last video because it's the end of the day. Yes, I took a bath with my makeup on. Weird? I know, right? But anyway, I'm going to be testing this little brow hack. I already know it works. It works for me, but I'm gonna test it on camera for you guys because people kind of think it's weird that I do. Before I do my brows, I always put a powder on my brows to set them, and then like let it sit for a few seconds, and then brush away the powder, then fill in my brows, and it works really fine. Nice. Let's get into the video. So basically the hack, you can do this with a pressed powder or a setting, they're both setting powders, or a loose powder. I sometimes, if I'm lazy and this is just really messy, I'll just take my little sponge, we'll just get whatever shape one. I'll just rub it and then press it onto my brows. Or when I'm not feeling lazy, I'll actually do a loose powder, put it on my brows, let it sit, whatever. I'm gonna do it both ways just to show you can do it either way. But a lot of people, I haven't seen anyone do it with the pressed powder, but I've tried it. Works just as well. So let's do it back with our hair back so we don't have to deal with bangs. So let's start with this one, and I literally just cleaned this thing out this morning, so I'm just gonna, I use different things on my brows. So for this one, I'm just going to take this, move this little thing out the way because it's so messy, press this on my brows. Fun. On this brow, we're gonna take this sponge, and yeah, and for this, okay, let's do a different side that doesn't have rips and tears. You just rub it on there and then press it onto your brow. And when you do it this way, you kind of have more like control of how much product you're getting. Like you can see the product there, but it's not like this. So this, I'm gonna leave it on for like literally 15 to 30 seconds, depending how oily your brows get, how oily you get, honestly. And then I'm gonna brush it off. One done. Next, this is more of a pressed powder. I'm gonna take a different brush, maybe one that's more like this one. It's an angled brush. It's supposed to be for contour, but it's more dense, and yeah. You're just gonna fill in your brows like normal. They're not even, I don't really care. I'm not cleaning them up or nothing because this is not an eyebrow tutorial. Like this video if you want to see one, but I just wanted to show you guys this is how they look. And I just wiped my eyebrow. You can't see anything, maybe. I just pressed my eyebrow. You can't see anything. Still wiping my eyebrow. You can't see anything. Like, come on, guys. This is a success, a hit. Like, you should try it because it's literally so easy. I'm gonna talk to y'all. I need some lip gloss. So basically, you guys can see that this hack really does work. If I look a little glowy, a little lit up, it's because I put on a lot of highlighter today, a shade I usually don't use. This is probably why. But this is how my brows look. You guys seen they passed the smudge test. They're not smudging. Do you see anything? I don't see anything. This is a hit. I look a mess right now, but I'm also about to take all this makeup off and go to bed. So like this video if you thought this was a cool hack. Comment down below if you tried this, and also comment if you tried using a pressed powder for this. And the two powders I used was my LA Colors loose powder in medium translucent, and my e.l.f. pressed powder in light beige. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.